Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply a tourist visa to travel to Hungary. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, whenever it comes to apply any kind of visa for any country, the very first thing we all must check is that do we really need a visa? Because based on our nationality, duration and purpose, we may or may not need a visa. And when we check these requirements, we should always check as per the official entity of the country, our destination country that covers our residential area. Because based on our residential area, there could be additional steps, documents, even fee too. So let's say you are an Indian citizen living in New Delhi, India. So for you, I have opened this a website of Hungary Embassy in New Delhi, and as per your geographic location, you can open relevant uh, official entity website. So if you go to consular information, they have short-term stay in Hungary. So not exceeding 90 days. So this is kind of, like it's a Schengen country. So it's like type C visa. Okay. So Delhi Embassy, they are gonna take application from applicants from these regions. I mean these countries, and even within India, these are the regions they are gonna take applications from. For others, they have a consulate general in Mumbai. Okay, so what you're gonna do is like, and they have outsourced it to VFS. Okay, like many other Schengen countries. So we are gonna go through VFS and go through the process. So I have opened this VFS. Okay, now we'll go through the process. So same steps like other countries. Identify the visa type, start your application, book an appointment, go there, pay the fee. Okay, submit and track your application. And if granted, you are all good to go. And if required, your biometric will be taken at the appointment. Okay, so I'll start with identify visa type. Visa type. Okay, so short stay. So here we have like tourist. Okay. Visa fee. So this fee is given in INR, but it can change if exchange rate. Okay. And now they have service fee also with biometric, without biometric. So that depends on case by case. And there are some optional services too, like SMS. So that you can decide if you really want to take or not. Form filling, premium launch. Okay. Photograph, photocopy. So that may not be required if you can do it yourself. Fine. Documents. So travel insurance definitely 30,000 euros minimum that we have seen for all Schengen countries. Two recent passport size photograph. Specifications are given in the other tab here. And so you can take it to any good photographer and they can do it for you. Certificate of travel agency prepaid program duly signed and stamped by, okay, if applicable. Employment certificate referring to permission granted for leave. Okay, yeah, if you are employed. Education institution enrollment certificates, that for students. Permission granted for leave. Salary slip for last 3 months from the employer. Okay. Income tax return last 2 assessment years. Pension slip if you are retiree. Bank statement for last 3 months. Certificate of registration in case of self-employed. Okay. Front and back of your passport, ticket, travel medical insurance. Okay. Fine. Photo specification is also given. Application form. Okay. When you are ready to apply, click here to access the visa application form. Fill it online, then download and print it. For Mumbai and West Zone, They have given the link. Okay. Sample authorization, someone else is submitting. Okay. For Mumbai location, there are some additional documents too. Okay. All right. So we'll go through the, okay, we'll go for that. Well, authorization letter, declaration format, declaration. Okay. Write your email ID in consent visa application form or communicate if required. Okay. To download the application, click on the form link. When the form opens, save the form on your computer. Okay. So we'll begin with this. Um, okay. So what are the things need to be for this side, right? Most column. That's for official. Okay. Don't worry about that. Surname at birth, first name, date of birth. Remember the format, place of birth, country of birth. And these information should match with your passport. Current nationality, nationality at birth, if different. Gender, civil status. Okay. Very simple questions. Nothing to explain over there. Parental authority in case of minor. National and identity number where applicable. So when I had applied for my visa, I had used my PAN card. It was happily accepted. Now you have Aadhaar card also. Type of travel document. Again, it's for India application. For other countries, it's gonna be different. Type of travel document. Most of people will have ordinary passport. Number of travel document. Put the passport number. Date of issue valid until issued by. Personal data of the family member who is an EU, EU or Switzerland citizen or a UK national. Okay, if applicable. Family relationship with a EU, EA or Switzerland citizen or a UK national beneficiary of the EU UK withdrawal agreement. Okay, if applicable. Your home address and email address here. Telephone number, residence in a country other than the country of current nationality. Okay, current occupation. So this number 20 is for people like, let's say somebody is living in India on a work permit, and if they want to go for it, then they have to provide that information. Current occupation, employer address, purpose of this journey, additional information that you want to put, member state of main destination, first entry, number of entries, single and two multiple, Indian date of arrival, Indian date of departure. Now fingerprint collected previously. So this is biometric applying for a Schengen visa. If you not have done it before, then definitely they will push you towards um, the biometric collection, and that means additional service fee. Entry permit of final country of destination where applicable. Okay. Surname and first name of the inviting person in the member state, if not applicable. Name of hotel or temporary accommodation. Okay, fine. So definitely you have this information if you have done the hotel booking. Cost of traveling during the stay is covered. Who's gonna pay? If you're doing it yourself, check this box and again check what are the things you're gonna carry. Cash, traveler check, credit card, prepaid accommodation. Surname and first name of the person filling the application form is different from the applicant. Visa fee is not refunded if the visa is refused. Okay. Place and date, signature. Okay. So once you are through this, you can book an appointment, pay the fee, submit your application like checklist we have already gone through. And from there, it will go to the next stage. That is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.